One thing you should know about torque management is, number one, how are you collecting the data today? But also, how are you using that data to immediately respond to or address issues that are on the line?
So something every engineer should know about torque management. In my opinion, it's information, right? Today's tools are advanced enough that they generate a lot of information. Not just torque, not just angle, but positioning is often something they can report. Torque curves, the entire curve can be sent back to an MES or a data analytics system like our Demeter system, like our PivotWare system. So for me, you want to think about information and what you can do with all that information that's made available to you from your tools.
One thing every engineer should know about torque management, in my opinion, would be that calibration and preventative maintenance is super critical to the accuracy of your torques.